10th. Out of following, resultant of which cannot be of 4 Newton. Out of which the resultant of which cannot be 4 Newton. मतलब वो लोग बोल रहे 2 न्यूटन 2 न्यूटन, इसमें से किसका रिजल्ट 4 नहीं हो सकता. तो हियर मैक्सिमम इज 4, मिनिमम इज 0, मतलब 4 पॉसिबल है ना.
Yes.
हम लोग को चाहिए 4 पॉसिबल नहीं वाला. तो दिस इज नॉट माय आंसर. 2 न्यूटन and 4 Newton. What is maximum? 6.
6 Newton.
And minimum
2 Newton.
2 Newton. तो इसका बीच में 4 न्यूटन आएगा क्या?
Yes.
मतलब ये भी अपना आंसर नहीं है. 2 न्यूटन, 6 न्यूटन, मैक्सिमम 8, मिनिमम 4, तो ये भी हो गया आएगा. 2 न्यूटन, 8 न्यूटन cannot be 4. Maximum 10, मिनिमम 6, तो इसमें नहीं आएगा ना 4.
No.
So this is the required answer. Everybody has followed this concept.
Yes, sir.
मैक्सिमम, मिनिमम और उसके बीच वाला वैल्यू सब रहता है ना. लाइक ये मैक्सिमम 4, मिनिमम 0, तो इसका बीच वाला भी वैल्यू रहेगा. इधर मैक्सिमम 6, मिनिमम 2 एंड ऑल वैल्यूज बिटवीन दिस टू, तो 4 है उसमें, इसमें नहीं है. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ट्राई.
Done.
ओके, 11. Length of sum of vector 3i cap and 4j cap. Length of sum of this. So sum of a and b is 3i plus 4j. Length means magnitude is given by root of x, I का coefficient square and j का coefficient square. So it will be equals to 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please understand everything. If any doubt is there, ask, because this chapter will come in so many chapters further. Done?
Yes.
If you complete, tell faster.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, thank you. 12. Magnitude of vector which comes on addition of 6i plus 7j plus 3i plus 4j. On addition of this, we get 9i plus 11j. So magnitude will be 9 square plus 11 square. 81 plus 121 equals to 2, it and to 0, 202. 202, option C.
Done.
Yes, magnitude of A vector, B vector, C vector are 12, 5, 13 respectively, and A bar plus B bar equal to C bar. Gauravi, who is resultant here?
C.
C is resultant, correct. A bar plus B bar is C bar, C is resultant. Then angle between A and B we want. Resultant is 13. Angle between A and B you want. So resultant is root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos of theta, correct now?
Yes.
So 13 resultant का formula. So 13 if I square will become, इसका root cancel, 12 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 12 into 5 into cos of theta. So 169 equals to 144 plus 25 plus 2 into 5, 10, 10 into
120
12,
cos
120 cos theta. Absolutely right. So 169 is 169 plus 120 cos theta. 169 minus 169 equals to 120 cos theta. 0 equals to 120 cos theta. That means cos theta will become 0. That means theta will be 90 degree. Okay, agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, many of you might not knowing the shortcut 5, 12, 13. Are they triplet of Pythagoras?
Yes.
Pythagoras triplet.
3, 4, 5. Are they Pythagoras triplet? 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
8, 6, 10.
Sir.
Yes. So if you know that, then it is very simple. I know this is 13, this will be 12, and this is 5. So if this is A, this is B, this is C. What is angle between A and B? 90 aa gaya na shortcut.
Yes.
So if it clicks that way, you can do directly.
Sir, option is C, no?
Option 90 degree, check where it is.
So
It
there
is
is
given
no
in
option.
radian.
No option is given.
It is given in radian. So I guess pi by 2.
Yes, pi by 2. Yes, 90 degree means pi by 2. 90 degree is called pi by 2. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
14th, forces of magnitude 8 Newton and 15 Newton respectively act at a point if the resultant is 17. What is angle between them? Again same method. R square is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos of theta. So 17 square is 8 square plus 15 square plus 2 into 15 into 17 into cos theta. 17 square 289, 64.
It will
Plus,
be 8 now, not
pardon?
17.
Pardon?
It will be 8. 15 into 8 now. 2 into 15 into 8.
Plus 30 into 8, 240 into cos theta. So 289 is equals to 289 plus 240 cos theta. So 289 minus 289 is 240 cos theta. 0 equals to 240 cos theta. Cos theta equals to 0. Therefore, theta is 90. Okay.
Yes, sir.
और here I मुझे तो शॉर्टकट याद है 8 square plus 15 square is 17 square. So it is again triplet of Pythagoras.
Yeah.
Or you can think like this. This is 17, 8, 15 triplet.
Done.
Okay. Next one. Fifteen. Two equal force acts at a point. Square of their resultant is 3 times. Square of their resultant is 3 times their product. Square of their resultant is 3 times their product. Find the angle between them. Two equal force means if first force is A, even second is A.
Yes.
Square of their resultant.
Yes.
What is meaning of square of their resultant? R square, na?
Yeah.
This is equals to.
A square plus 2 A square cos.
नहीं नहीं आगे क्या लिखा है? The square of their resultant is 3 times their product. 3 times their product. Okay. Resultant is A square plus 2AA into cos theta. I hope you followed what I'm writing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2A square plus 2A square into cos theta is 3A square. So 2A square cos theta will be 3A square minus 2A square. So 2A square cos theta is 1A square. So cos theta is A square upon 2A square. A square cancel. Cos theta half theta 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree.
Yes.
Option A. Now shortcut see our rule. 7 point I have given. when two vectors are equal and result is root 3 times. Now this becomes what? From here, result is root 3 times.
Yeah.
Then angle between them is 60 degree.
Yes.
And also shortcut method. R square is 3a square. So R is root 3 times a. Therefore, angle between two vector how much? 60 degree.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That property equal and 60 root 3. So they have given root 3 means it should be 60 degree. Solve.
Sir, option it is C option. You have seen the previous one option number
We are doing. Oh, sorry.
15th one.
Correct, correct.
Done.
Okay. Yes, everybody is done.
Yes, sir.
Next one has been asked many times in the exam. Two vectors A bar, B bar are such that magnitude of sum is magnitude of difference. Then angle between two vectors. This line means what? Magnitude, na? So I'm reading like this. Magnitude of sum is equal to magnitude of difference. Magnitude of sum is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And magnitude of difference is a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Okay, this much followed.
Yes, understood.
बिकॉज ये सम के लिए ये ए ये बी ये एंगल थीटा, डिफरेंस के लिए इधर वाला एंगल लेना पड़ता है 180 माइनस थीटा, एंड cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. This line everybody is cleared with till this line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything will cancel. Only 2ab cos theta and minus 2ab cos theta will remain.
Pardon?
Everything will be cancelled except plus 2ab cos theta and minus 2ab cos
Very
theta.
good, very good, very good. Squaring both sides we get a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. A square from both sides, b square from both sides cancel. So 4ab cos theta is 0. Therefore, cos theta is 0. Theta equal to 90 degree. Do.
Done.
Done?
Yes.
What is the option?
C.
Yeah. 17. For the resultant of two vector to be maximum, angle between them must be how much?
180.
No, zero. Na maximum we want. Na? See, what is formula
Yes.
for resultant? A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This will be maximum when this cos theta is maximum. Correct? No?
Yes.
For r equal to maximum, that cos theta should become maximum. What is maximum value of cos? Is it 1?
1.
1 means 0 degree.
Yeah.
हो गया. So therefore it should be 0 degree.
Yes, sir. Done.
18th. Angle between A bar and B bar is theta. Angle between A bar and B bar is theta such that resultant vector is the sum. Makes angle theta by 2 with A bar. A bar, B bar are two angle making angle theta such that this resultant is making angle theta by 2 with A bar. Diagram followed?
Yes, sir.
Then which of the following is true? What is meaning of angle made by resultant with P formula? Do you know this original formula? It is Q
Q
sine
sin theta
theta
plus
upon
P
P
plus
plus
Q
Q
cos theta.
cos theta. So in this case, it will be tan theta by 2. Q is B sine theta upon A plus B cos theta. Correct?
Yes.
अभी वो लोग क्या बोल रहे देखो. I got formula. They are saying it will make angle theta by 2 if A is 2B. So I have to substitute value. A, if A equal to 2B, then this will become, that angle will become tan alpha, which is theta by 2. We have to check. A is 2B. B is sine theta, 2B plus B cos theta. That means B sine theta, B common, 2 plus cos theta. 2 plus cos theta can never become tan theta.
Yes.
मतलब ये wrong हो गया ना.
Yeah.
The answer is none of this. For none of this it will become tan theta by 2. चलो एक और बता देता हूँ. 2a equal to b. So if we put here 2a, this is 2a, वापस 2 आ जाएगा. 2 plus cos theta का कुछ फॉर्मूला नहीं है. So we won't get.
Understood.
Then ab is 1. उसका भी कुछ नहीं आएगा. ab 1 मतलब ab का उल्टा है. रेसिप्रोकल. ये 1 upon a क्या आएगा? कुछ नहीं आ सकता है. None of this. Okay. Completed?
Just a minute, sir. Done.
Fine. If A bar equal to B bar plus C bar, who is resultant in this?
C bar.
A bar.
A bar is
A
resultant.
bar.
Its magnitude is given 5, B is 4, C is 3. अभी थोड़ा शॉर्टकट से कर देता हूं. Is it true? 5 square equal to 4 square plus 3
Yes.
square. True. That means it is right angle triangle.
Yeah.
If it is right
Yes.
angle triangle, A is hypotenuse, which is 5. Then other sides are B4 and C3. This followed sides का marking.
Yes.
Okay. हम लोगों को किसके बीच का एंगल चाहिए?
A or C.
A और C, not B and C. ये दोनों का बीच का नहीं चाहिए, तो परपेंडिकुलर है. A और C चाहिए इधर. Cos theta. If I want between A and C, what is cos theta? Adjacent side
Adjacent
upon
upon
hypotenuse.
Yes.
So it will become theta cos inverse 3 by 5.
Yes.
Do we have this option? Yes, in
Yeah.
A we have. No. This also followed now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay.
And done.
Okay. Next one. Everybody's done.
Yes, sir. Done.
20th. The resultant of two forces acting at an angle 50 degree of 50 degrees 10 kg weight.
Sir, 150 degree.
Huh. Resultant of two forces acting at 50 degree. Two forces are acting at 50 degree, not resultant. Resultant of two forces acting at 150 degrees 10 kg weight. Common mistake will feel resultant is 150. Read carefully.
It is of the two forces at 150.
हाँ, उसका
Angle between the two
resultant is
forces.
150 and वो perpendicular है
Yes.
to one of the force. बराबर?
Yeah.
There are two forces. उसका resultant is 10 and it is perpendicular. So whenever you see resultant is perpendicular, first draw perpendicular. It will be easy for you to understand. Resultant is perpendicular. I am drawing first. It is perpendicular to one of the vector. फिर इसको मैं कंप्लीट करता हूं एज अ पैरेललोग्राम. Resultant of two vector at 150 degree is perpendicular to one of the two vector. Two forces are acting at 150 degree का resultant is 10 and perpendicular to one of the vector. So this is resultant is 10 perpendicular to one vector. Angle between them is 150. I hope diagram you all follow. Diagram you all have followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is perpendicular? Resultant is perpendicular or those two vectors are perpendicular?
R.
Resultant means
Resultant.
R is perpendicular. तो जब भी दिखा ना रिजल्टेंट इज परपेंडिकुलर, पहला वो बना दो. दोनों वेक्टर का बीच का एंगल इज 150. रिजल्टेंट इज गिवन 10. देन फाइंड द स्मॉलर फोर्स. कौन सा स्मॉलर है वो ढूंढना है हम लोग. हेलो,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाउ मच इज दिस एंगल? How much is this angle?
30.
This is 150. So this has to be 30. And this is 60 then. What is
Yes.
cos tan 30? Opposite side r upon adjacent side p. So tan 30 1 by root 3 is 10 upon p. Therefore p is 10 root 3. Follow?
Sir, understood.
And this is q. Leader में कौन सा थीटा लो? cos sin q आने के लिए. और I can take sin 30 is opposite side r upon q. Sin 30 is half. R is 10 upon q. Therefore q is 20. So who is smaller? 10 root 3 or 20?
10 root 3.
So this is the answer. 10 root 3. 10 root 3 option A. We want smaller. Resultant perpendicular वाला सम ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. This all you have to practice once again. There is no substitute to hard work. That much you should remember.
Yes, sir. Done.
21. Component of vector is. Component means what? What is meaning of component? Full or part?
A bar.
Simple English meaning
Part.
of part. तो
Part.
part actual वाले से बड़ा है क्या छोटा है?
छोटा है.
Short time.
My face is part of my body. Face is smaller than the body. Hand is
Yes.
smaller than the body. So component is always less than
Less than.
its magnitude. Component is always less than its magnitude. Okay. So option A.
Yes.
22. Rectangular component of force in dyne of 5 Newton are. Rectangular component of 5 Newton. What is meaning of rectangular component? Perpendicular, na? Rectangular means what? Perpendicular.
Yes.
So 5 का rectangular will be 3, 4.
Yes.
तो हो गया आंसर 3 and 4. देखो ट्रिकी सम है ये. Rectangular means perpendicular. If perpendicular, then diagonal becomes hypotenuse. So 5 is hypotenuse. किसका? 3 and 4 का. C is the answer. (23rd) Angle between A bar, which is 2i cap plus 3j cap, mixed with y axis एंगल ए बार makes with y axis. Somewhere I had told angle पूछा तो dot product ले लो ना, ऐसा बोला था ना आपको.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can I represent y axis equal to j cap?
Yes.
Can I represent like this? Y axis मतलब j
Yes,
cap.
yes.
चलो अभी तो एकदम सिंपल हो गया. So a बार और y एक्सिस का बीच का एंगल चाहिए ना, मतलब j कैप का बीच का. नॉट फॉलोड.
Understood.
इज a j cos theta. So cos theta is vector a 2i plus 3j. Its dot with y axis means j cap upon magnitude of a is 2 square plus 3 square, j is 1. So cos theta will become 2 into 0 plus 3 into 1 because there is no I. So 0i upon root of 2 square 4, 3 square 9, root 1. Therefore cos theta equals to 3 upon root 13. चेक है क्या आंसर? 3 अपॉन रूट 13 नहीं है. नहीं है ना 3 अपॉन रूट 13,
No.
क्योंकि वो कॉस के लिए आया है, लोग ने तो टैन दिया है. तो ये कॉस आया 3 बाई रूट 13, मतलब क्या? Adjacent side is 3 and hypotenuse is root 13. Can you tell me this side by Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, sir. Root 13 square.
Very good.
Then
Very good. हाँ बराबर. रूट 13 स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर कितना?
2.
Pardon?
2.
2. अरे
960.
वाह, superb. So can I say tan theta is 2 by 3?
Yes.
ये है क्या? tan inverse 2 by 3 है?
Yes. Option B.
ऑप्शन बी. कई सही खतरनाक सम है ना ये.
Yeah.
कॉस तक आने के बाद विल फॉरगेट, अरे क्या हो गया, अभी तो आए नहीं. तो ये ट्राइंगल बना लो, तो साइन निकालो, tan निकालो, ऐसा समथिंग विल मैच. यस ऋषिता, फॉलोड.
Yes, sir.
ओके श्रुति, प्रथम,
Yes, sir. Understood.
अथर्व, गणेश,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ओके
sir.
कृषा, गौरवी.
yes, sir.
देखो थोड़ा डेंजरस सम है, बट थोड़ा माइंड लगाएंगे तो आ जाता है ना.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी आपको इससे भी शॉर्टकट मेथड बताता हूँ. एक लाइन में आंसर आएगा. फर्स्ट यू डू दिस.
Done, sir.
एकदम एक लाइन में आंसर बताता हूँ. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. टू आई means x एक्सिस पे 2 and 3j y एक्सिस पे 3, बराबर.
Yeah.
So this is that line 2i plus 3j.
Yes.
You want angle with y axis, बराबर ना.
Yeah.
तो ये 2 मतलब ये 2 है ना. What is tan theta? Opposite side 2 upon adjacent side 3. खत्म ना. हेलो,
Yeah.
हो गया ना,
Yes,
खत्म ना.
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा शॉर्टकट भी आ सकता है. मतलब ये धीरे धीरे इट विल क्लिक. तो पहला एक्चुअल मेथड समझो, फिर धीरे धीरे मैं आपको शॉर्टकट से बताते रहूंगा. कॉपी द डायग्राम. 2i means magnitude 2 along x, 3j is magnitude 3 along y. ये लाइन गया अपना.
Done, sir.
All you have completed?
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Friday again. Complete your assignments properly, whatever is given in planner, and then come for the lectures. That's all. We'll meet
Yes.
next class. Okay, bye.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a
Thank you.
nice
Thank,
day.
thank you. Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.